Hey guys, AJ Catanzaro here, and I want to talk about my favorite gear at the moment, which is the Fox Flexair. I specifically wear the Flexair for two reasons. One, I like the fit of the jersey. I prefer something that feels more like compression, so the Flexair is really, it fits tight. This is a medium jersey. I'm about 155 pounds. I'm 5'11", and this fits me nice and tight. I just feel like it looks better. I don't have bat wings flapping. Some people prefer baggier gear, but Flexair, I like it for that reason. Then the pants, same thing. I kind of like my pants really tight. And guess what? These are a 28, so they're pretty tight. But they have good flex to them. No extra bagginess floating around. Especially when I sit down, I don't like to slide forward and back on the seat. There is no play underneath my butt, my crotch when I sit down with these pants. They stay tight. The buckle system works flawlessly on these pants, and they have like a nice gripper, so when you tuck your jersey in, your jersey stays tucked in. So if you don't want to look like Jason Anderson and have your jersey stay tucked in, you can get these. Available at MotoSport.com. This is 2025 stuff. What I also like about this kit specifically is that it's really understated in the branding. Everybody always asks me what brand this stuff is, and I think that's kind of cool. It's sort of like low-key. This ventilation on most of Flexair stuff is amazing. Super lightweight, it's highly ventilated. You can see the perforation here on the side, especially up by the thighs. And then the jersey, super ventilated. Now I race Supercross only, but even then, I'm hot and I'm nervous. I'm a nervous mess, I'm hot, and I want good ventilation. You can see it under the armpits right here. Yeah, really good ventilation in the Flexair. MotoSport.com, get your Flexair kit.